Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SOP video update for Tuesday 9th of August. The SOP is looking pretty amazing right now. We're about to get the bull cross on Bitcoin. We're about to get the bullish cross on SOP. It's been amazing. Okay, so this looks like a little bit of accumulation right here, broke to the upside, and right now you are back testing the EMAs. It's just a sideways consolidation probably, or a sideways movement until you don't get the bullish cross here. And once you do get that bull cross, what I want to see is you come back up to this level, cross that level, back test the level, and we're good to move even way more higher to that technical target right here that I told you before. Okay, and that's going to be amazing, right? So that's going to be like 60% move to the upside. So from there to there we will be looking for 68% move, but at the moment it's looking awesome. I'm just going to show you its brethren, which is going to be AXS. And you can see AXS is doing pretty amazing right now. Okay, it's sitting at 18.67, and we do have AXS trying to come up to $25.5 somewhere, because that's the technical target out of all this accumulation that it did. Now SOP did pump to the upside, AXS didn't, but AXS and the SOP are kind of linked to one another. So both of them are looking awesome. And actually, as a matter of fact, AXS already has a bull cross, okay? And it has pretty much back tested the bull cross, and it's really successful at back testing the bull cross at the moment, and we're looking to move to the upside as well. And that's it for today's update on SOP. Hope you enjoyed this one, quick one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.